Hi, this is Dr. Carmelo Rosa, Director of Division of Drug Quality 1 in CDER Office of Compliance and co-chair of the 2019 ISPE South Asia Pharmaceutical Manufacturing Conference that will be held in Bangalore, India, September the 25th through the 27th. Over 2.5 days, you will hear from regulators and industry discuss really important matters that are of interest to all of us. We will be talking about the corporate role in assuring drug quality throughout the organization. We will be talking about the regulatory expectations regarding submissions of applications, process validation, cleaning validation, how to conduct OOS investigations. We will also be talking about remediation when a 483 or warning letter has been issued to companies. And we're going to also be discussing issues related to trends that we're finding around the world during our inspection. The program promises to be interactive and to have really good roundtable discussions on case studies that everybody could relate to. So I really want to encourage you to attend and take this opportunity to engage with regulators and industry experts. You're going to have the opportunity to ask questions. You're going to have the opportunity to learn about regulatory expectations, and you will benefit and grow from this unique experience. I hope to see you all in September in Bangalore, India. See you then.